Well, there's always an end to everything, so eventually have to pack up. It's bittersweet, of course, looking forward to going back home, seeing my friends and family, but you know, it's a bit emotional to have to leave station. And this is my crew quarters, my little personal space in space for 6 months. So I gotta take down all these photos of friends everywhere and pack them up. I have a big stash of them that I brought with me, and that I took photos of the photos in space. Finished taking down the precious kids' drawings that I was sent from the ground over the months. There's no way I'm leaving them in space. I'm gonna keep a few precious items, like little toys the kids gave me, and jewelry that I'll bring with me on the Soyuz. We can bring about the size of a box of tissues with us on the Soyuz, but the bulk of the thing we want to send back, we can send back using a Dragon spacecraft. So it's a few weeks before departure. We have an allocation to send stuff down. And one of those transfer bags. So this will go back to the ground, and in a few months I'll retrieve it after return, after processing. Other things that go back to the ground on the Dragon spacecraft, of course, are the results of scientific experiments and equipment that needs to be repaired. All right, that one's ready for packing. Let's go see that. See you in a couple of months. And when it's really time to leave on the Soyuz, then we'll pack the last few precious items that we can bring back with us.